The dream of a lot of chefs is creating their own restaurant, their own house. So when I create FRASSI, that's the place that new journey starts. It's not the place that where I'm arrived, but the place where my life starts to go. So here I want to just express my food. And my food becomes from my background, my memory, like an artist painting his canvas. So this dish, I choose the duck, is about something representing my origin, Tuscany, where I come from. Also combines with my flavor. Use a Wagyu. We do the classic fermentation that we do for a different kind of cold cuts. It's kind of like we say our Wagyu ham or Wagyu bresaola. So we have like a fresh meat from the leg, Parmesan cheese, and we finish with some egg to combine together and a cube of our homemade Wagyu. And stuff inside the duck neck, and we finish between Italy and Asia some technique how to cook the duck to make her skin very crispy. To respect the tradition of the Tuscany dish, I decided to use apple to ferment it to become black, because the richness flavor, very concentrate of acidity but also caramelized flavor. And in my food especially is very strong flavor. I don't like to be light. I like to be, when you eat my food, you know what you eat. You know, like, oh, that's Jacopo. The best part to be a chef, I think, when you see the team become a family. And another part is when I look at my customer and I can see when they take a bite of the food, the face reaction, the smile, they close the eyes. That makes me feel like, oh wow, oh, that's why I'm here.